Hello guys, can you hear me? Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Hopefully the audio is clear. We're going to build a SaaS tool in public. Essentially, we are building a system that lets you create these kind of clay-like workflows in minutes. So as you can see here, we are essentially sending a bunch of requests to our AI model to create these clay-like workflows using different API calls. And this tool that we're building has 3,000 integrations. So you can we connect with 3,000 different integrations. And we're just trying to run some tests, see, find out any potential bugs, any issues. And we are facing one issue right now, and that is to do with the tool calls to Sonnet. Okay, complex. No, this can't be it. Can you do some systematic debugging why this is happening? Even though we have the heartbeat set up, we check what's going on. Don't know why this is happening. There seems to be a tool call failure. I need to check my Anthropic API credits. Let me just check the Anthropic API tool calls. I think this is where the issue happens. Let's go on the logs. We can actually see what's going on. So this actually failed. Client disconnected. Okay. Interesting. Client disconnected. This is what the tool call actually, yeah, that makes sense. 50,000 input tokens. I think this is I don't know why the hell 50,000 input tokens. That's kind of crazy. I actually want to know. Cache read. This is the error brought in the logs for Claude API. So this is where the error is happening. 99 client disconnected. Yeah. This could be the issue. Interesting. Output tokens, streaming. It's got input tokens. Different issues here. Just need to fix this. Quick code finding disconnected after 32 seconds. Oh. I wonder why it got disconnected. Not the backend. Via server has no timeout configured, which matches your 32 second. Has no timeout. The default HTTP proxy is 30 seconds. The heartbeat in the backend, but the VI proxy is timing out before the heartbeat reaches the client. Interesting. I hope this is actually a good fix. Issues. I'm sure there are a bunch of issues. Yeah, there's another one here. This client disconnected, right? All right, interesting. So what's going on is essentially the client is disconnecting. Why it's disconnecting? I don't know. The question is, this is a bit weird. Question. Oh, okay. This is not good. 30 seconds is not enough. Sometimes you need to increase it to at least 5 minutes, or 3 minutes, I'd say. Because, like, I don't know, 30 seconds is just, it's kind of, it's like, yeah, that's not, 30 seconds is just not enough. Yeah, this makes sense. So it's actually okay. No wonder. 30-second timeout, so very little. All right, let's just test it out now. Can you create a formula field which is extremely complex using the first array data? So what's going to happen now is the AI model is going to use this data here, and it's going to use JS to essentially permutate the data and then create column. And when I release this, like, I'm thinking the way it's going to be is we don't want it to be very complex. We want it to be easy for people to understand. Like, you don't even need to say any of this actually. Okay, so what did it try to do here? Yeah, this is actually correct. Yeah, wait a minute. Formulas cannot access extract. Then reference the input column. Yeah. Yeah. So let me just check what is produced here. I think this is another issue. All right, so as you can see here, guys, it's starting to I think it's starting to get the data, but I don't understand. Yeah, there's a lot of issues here, as you can see. Tertiary operator, passing issues with the formula fields, total post count. I don't know why there are so many issues with the formula field. So let's go on here. Let me just send this to the AI model. All right. This is the formula field being added by add column. This is the input. And this one is the output. I need to actually check this out for myself. So what is the actual output of the question? See, he's trying to do all this. All right, let's see. The output, valid field pass. Oh, this one. Yeah, this one. All right. Post stats complex. Check this out. To not add column, post stats complex. Access nested property. User underscore posts underscore JSON. This is right. All right, this is an issue. The user underscore post underscore JSON exists. It's accessing outside of the column ID. So why is this not working? Some issue with validation. All right, modify recipe. It's having issues with this operator. Reduce. Yeah, there's just so many limitations there. I need to understand what's going on here. Total engagement sum. Post item extract. Post item extract. Array is array. Yeah. It's just so many bloody issues here. Yeah. No. I don't know why I cannot access this. So many issues there. Block nested property access on enrichment columns. Blocks access nested properties on enrichment columns. I actually want to know probably will go live on here as well. Let me just check. I don't have to go live on here actually. Can you go live on here? Going live now. Just gonna promote this. All right, let's see. Ultra viral. Ultra viral. All right. I don't know why this one is taking so long. All right, let's see. Exists in your syntax is correct, but there's a separate validation rule. Pipeline and discovered parts column. The validation rule for formula columns. Formulas are meant to be data information. Wait a minute. Will this affect runtime? Can you check? If it does, I'm not sure. No idea. Please check. Check. We want to make it as easy as possible for us, but also find a middle ground. So it's not letting you access these. It's not letting you access any. Yeah, I don't know why. But before we can even allow that, we need to check if it's going to affect. All right, let's see what's going on here. So the issue is, this one is taking very long. I wonder why that is. That's very weird. Again, long. I don't know why. It's very weird. Yeah, 5 seconds. 65,000 tokens. What the hell is this? Is this token count right? I have no clue if that's right. Seems a bit weird. All right. Still processing, so there's something wrong here as well. Very interesting. This last one, posts with mentions, that was already done. With, is it CC or let me just refresh the page? Must be another issue here somewhere. Okay, this one's actually stuck. Okay. Damn. This one's actually stuck for some reason. Okay. Okay. The best fix is to auto pass JSON strings in the formula executor so formulas just work. I don't know about this. If they should do that. I don't know if we should add the validation back. It's kind of hard to know. Also, why the hell did this stop? This one is just stuck on enriching. Actually, yeah, sure. Value is this return original value if not valid JSON used to auto pass enrichment column stored as JSON. Needs to really think about this. Enrichment columns stored as JSON strings. Columns stored as store important enrichment columns store data as JSON strings. Auto pass as JSON strings, so formulas can access nested properties. Mm-hmm. Okay, yeah, let's keep what we need. That's our guidance. AI needs to know that it's trying to access nested property side, which is not allowed. You should ask it to create the input columns first. Yep, this one went through. Actually, it exists. All right, this one's stuck. Is there something wrong with the tag executor? This is the table I'm working on. The column is here. Stuck on. There's something wrong with runtime tag execution. And this is the current formula. This is the formula being used. Yeah. Property inside a formula field. Formula field. Do we ask it to create a column? Column first. Alright, let's investigate the tag execution formula. Oh, it does it already. Nice. Yeah. Does this apply to condition? Let's see, let's see. Alright, now we work on this. Let's work on this. By the way, this is really good. This is actually generating a lot of revenue right now. Generating around, if I show you guys my Stripe, 20k USD in total tomorrow. So this is actually a vibe for that we've made. It's generating a decent amount of revenue. Took us around 8 months to make properly, but yeah, it's definitely possible to get your MRR up, guys, like properly. Let's work it out. Alright. What do you need to find out what's going on here? I'm gonna ask, is there an issue with this formula being extracted in runtime? Post items is an array, etc. Yeah, because this one is stalling. Stuck on enrichment. I need to send the table ID as well. Send table information. Send the table info. Okay. Alright, what did it find? Dependency agent. What? Beautiful. But if that's not a, if that's a plain input column, that's very weird. I don't know. Plus array. No, it's not a plain input column. Do you mean doesn't that's pretty sure it does. Oh wait a minute. Let's create. Right. It was created like this. To convert into an array installation. Alright. Formula column. No, it's not formula. Not formula. Not formula. Wait, what? It's um, actually. Oh no! Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Post item array. Post array. Uh, text. I'm actually not sure. That's possible. ID text. Object. Then I underneath the. I have no idea. I have no idea how this works. Sure. I'm just going to ask you to look at the table. Can you just look at the table? Ask you to look at the bloody table, guys.